The last page of your review is asking you to convert an equation from point-slope form to slope-intercept form, or to take what you see and turn it into y equals mx plus b. These are not too difficult. They're all going to follow the same steps. We're going to simplify by distributing, because we should always distribute as soon as we can in a math problem. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. We're still left with y minus 7 on the left side because we haven't done anything with it yet. The goal is going to be to get y all by itself this time, so we're going to move the negative 7 to the other side. When it crosses the equal sign, it's going to become a positive 7, and because it's just a plain number, make sure you line it up under the other number. You don't want to put it under the x. All we have left on the left side is y. On the right side we have 5x, negative 15 plus 7 is negative 8. So our final answer, y equals 5x minus 8. If you're asked to identify the slope of this line, you would know the slope is 5 and the intercept is negative 8. The next problem follows the same steps. Distribute and then isolate the y. 1/2 times x is 1/2 x, and 1/2 times 4 is positive 2. We still have y minus 3 on the left side of the equation. We're going to move this minus 3 over to the right side and make sure we line it up correctly under the 2. Our final answer will be y equals 1/2 x plus 5. 2 plus 3 gives us the 5. The slope of the line is 1/2. The intercept of the line is 5. The next problem still requires us to distribute, but you'll notice there's no number there. Remember, if there's no number in front of a parenthesis, it's like we're assuming there's an invisible 1 there. And in this case, it's a negative 1. Negative 1 times x is just written as negative x. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1. And we still have y plus 5 on the left side. To isolate the y, we need to move the 5 over. When a positive 5 crosses the equal sign in an equation, it becomes a negative 5. And of course, we want to line that up in the correct spot under the other number. On the left side, we're left with y. On the right side, we have negative x. And then negative 1 minus 5 is negative 6. So our final answer is y equals negative x minus 6. The slope of this line is negative 1. The intercept is negative 6. Same steps for the last problem. 5/3 times x is 5/3 x. 5/3 times negative 6 is negative 10. And we have y minus 11 on the left side. We're going to move the minus 11 over to the right side. It's going to become a plus 11 when it crosses the equal sign. And our answer will be y equals 5/3 x. Negative 10 plus 11 is positive 1. So y equals 5/3 x plus 1. The slope of this line is 5/3, and the y-intercept is 1.